वेलकम बैक टू न्यू वीडियो। आप सभी का स्वागत है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल करूँ पढ़े मेरा जमा चुका है 8 स्टैंडर्ड की ज्योग्राफी के साथ। और आज का मेरे चैप्टर का नाम है लैंड यूजेस। तो चलिए नोट्स कंप्लीट करते हैं। सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन, चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। अ पीस ऑफ फर्टाइल लैंड इज यूज्ड फॉर एग्रीकल्चर। सेकेंड, द सेटलमेंट ऑफ मिनरल्स आर फाउंड क्लोज टू द माइनिंग एरियाज. Fishermen's settlements are generally located near the seashores. Very little grassland is under. Fallow land is agricultural land which is temporarily not used. The fort area in Mumbai is example of central business district CBD. In trans area there is a blend of rural and urban land use. All the information about the region land is called the obtained from 7:12 extract. Ownership of non-agriculture land is recorded on property card. State whether the following statements are true or false. Correct the false statement and write in the given lines. Mining is not a type of land use. False. Mining is a type of land use. Mining or mineral rich lands are used for mining. False. Industrial lands are used for mining. In rural areas fishing is the main occupation. False. In rural areas agriculture is the main occupation. In rural areas residential areas occupy large tracy. False. In the rural areas agriculture areas occupy large tracts. Urban land in general under government ownership. False. Arabian land is general under the individual ownership. Grassland are also known as the pasture land. Answer 2. There are factors in the central business district. False. There are shops, banks and office in the central district business bank. The Bandra Kurla complex BKC is the suburb of Mumbai. True. In the urban in the urban areas in the largest is the residential proportion. True. In Japan the percentage of land under the forest is more land than the agriculture. True. The village attendance issues is 7 divided by 12 extract. False. The district collector issue is 7 is to 12 extract. The 7 indicates records of right. True. The 12 indicates the change in ownership. False. The extract 12 indicates the agriculture aspect of the land. Name the following. Name any two forest product. Firewood, gum. Any two central business district CBD, the forest areas and the BKC Bandra Kurla complex in Mumbai. Any three transportational service found in the cities: metro, railway lines and moral rail. Two suburban of Mumbai, Bandra and Bandhup. Two planted cities of India, Chandigarh and Bhavasna Nagar. The geographical region. First, a region can be classified as developed or developing on the basis of two islands. One basis of developing the area island is classified as urban and the rural land. Urban land can be classified as developing. Rural include cities and towns. It benefits from industries development. Rural and includes village and can be classified as developing region. Rural population is the most engaged agriculture activities. Land uses a public faculty are extremely important in the urban areas. Answer. The public faculties like hospitals, post office, police stations, police grounds, schools, colleges, university are extremely important in urban areas. These public faculties help in provide easy access to basic necessities. These services diffuse the tension caused due to the pollution explosion. The record of ownership of the non-agricultural land is not the same of the agricultural land. No, the record of the ownership of non-agricultural land is not same as the of the agricultural land, because the ownership of the agricultural land is recorded on the property card, whereas the recording of the ownership of agriculture can be obtained from the revenue uh, department in the 7 is to 12 extract. Answer the following important questions. Why is the agriculture important in the rural land uses? The agriculture is important in rural land uses as agriculture is the main occupation of rural people. This is because in rural areas is availability of land is more and the population is spare. The rural areas is the extended of the residential areas, in hence less rural population is the most engaged in the agriculture activities. Clarify the difference between the rural and the urban land use. The rural in rural areas agriculture in the main occupation, hence the major land is used. Basic the urban land flow follow lands, forest and land are grasslands or pasture lands. This is because in the rural areas the availability of land is more, population is less. On the other hand, in the urban areas land is uh, limited and the land is generally used for commercial, in residence proportion, transport and public utility different services. If a land is left fallow and it is not in use, then it can be terminated as a kind of land. Although the word fallow means inactive or not in use, it is termed as a kind of land use because it includes all land which is taken apart from cultivation but temporarily out of cultivation, so it recoups its lost fertility through natural processes. Explain the following terms. First, fallow lands. Answer: farmers do not grow in some parts of the cultivated land. Such land is called fallow land. The fertility of land may reduce its cropped continuously in the order to improve the fertility of the soil, and the farmers does not do a part of land from one or two sentences. The certain business district in a large cities, the trade and economic extraction tran- transactions are concentrated in a specific part of city. This is generally located in the central of the city. This is called the central business district. Generally, central industries or the residential areas are not found here. The population density is very less here. The administration office of may re-establish are located here. तो बस आज का बस नहीं आया हूँ. आपको वीडियो पसंद आया होगा. अगर वीडियो पसंद आया होगा वीडियो को लाइक, वीडियो को शेयर, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब और तब तक के लिए गुड बाय.